After ng success ng hit song na ere ni Juan Carlos Labajo, aabangan naman ngayon ang bago niyang kanta kung saan ang makakakulab niya rito ang co-star niya sa senior high na si Kyle Echari. Magbabalita tungkol dyan si Von Belenario.
Grateful and happy. Ganyan ilarawan ni Juan Carlos Labajo ang taong 2023 dahil sa tagumpay niya sa larangan ng musika at pag-arte. Sa huling quarter ng taon, gumawa na kasaysayan si Juan Carlos dahil ang hit song niyang Ere ang first Filipino song na pasok sa global chart ng Spotify at all-time record for biggest single-day stream sa nasabing platform. Dahil sa success ng kanyang songs gaya ng Ere at Buwan, pressured nga ba ang singer?
Before, it definitely did because, you know, when I put out Buwan, it became too big of a hit na sobrang hirap, ang hirap sundan. Then eventually I learned to let go because nung ginawa ko yung Buwan, wala naman sa plano ko gumawa ng hit song. So why do I have to put myself in a situation where, alam mo yun, that didn't happen? So wala, I just focus on enjoying the process.
Marami pang aabangan kay Juan Carlos, kabilang dyan ang release ng collaboration niya with senior high co-star Kyle Echari.
I'm really excited because I'll be putting out a song with Kyle. Wow, that's something to look forward to. So yeah, it's really fun and it's in Bisaya.
Speaking of senior high, nagpapasalamat din si Juan Carlos sa mga tumututok sa teleserye pati na sa kanyang role bilang si Gino.
With Gino naman, my character, he's a really interesting character kasi he's kind of like a surface character but then biglang malalim pala lahat ng pinagdadaanan.
Nag-react din si Juan Carlos sa mataas na ratings at good reviews ng teleserye mula sa mga viewer at netizen.
It's a really well-written show and it's a really well-executed show, especially with the directors that we have. And I'm happy that people think that way. Na they think it elevated the whole teen category of teleseries. That's really nice. And hopefully hopefully there will be more projects, not just for me but for everyone else that I'm working with there.
Abangan pa ang may init na tagpo sa senior high pagkatapos ng Can't Buy Me Love, gabi-gabi sa TV5. Ako si Von Belenario para sa 1PH.
Sariwang balita ba ang hanap mo? Simple lang. I-click mo na ang subscribe button at ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga balitang dapat mong malaman.